Hello friends. So today in this video I am not going to talk about Julia like the other videos and instead what I'm trying to show the hidden treasure that Julia have in it, the performance. We already have seen in the past videos that we can write code very efficiently. We can do more with very less code. So this is a different story, but now today I'm going to show you why we really consider Julia and how we can do that. Yes, definitely to find the prime. And historically we know that finding prime numbers is a very tough task for the computers, and in fact there are a lot of scientists and mathematicians working around the clock to finding new prime numbers. Okay, and here I already have written and tested definitely 3 programs, and all are doing the same. They are trying to find the 100,000th prime numbers, and I really did a simple brute force mechanism. What I did, I am just looping over uh, uh, to check, looping over from for each number starting from 2 to infinity, and I'm just trying to check whether this is a prime or not. If this is prime, then I'm decreasing the range, and when the range is 0, then I'm just stopping and printing the prime number. And this is what I have done in all the programs. This is the Python version of the same. This is the same logic to check the prime, and this is the same loop, and here I'm just calculating the time and printing it in seconds. And for Julia also I did the same. So as you can see, we have 31 lines of code. In C++ we have 47 to 48 lines of code, and in Python, yes, we have 26 lines of code. And so this is all. Yeah, I can, if I little bit trim it down, then the amount of code in Python and in Julia is almost same. Now if I run this program and let's see what we can have and how long a C++ program take to find out 100,000 prime number, and how much time the Python program takes and how much time the Julia takes. And here let me tell you simply, the C++ here C++ already lost over Julia, because you have to write a lot of code, and in Julia it is much cleaner, less symbols and code is used to do the same. So already Julia is winner in terms of code clarity and cleanness, but now there is a fight between Python and Julia who can perform better. And let me tell you, C++ will perform best. And now what I already did, I already made a video of for the same. What I did, I ran all the 3 programs parallel in a VS Code terminal. Yes, 3 terminals, and I recorded a video. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to play that over here. So just give me a moment. I'm going to play the video, and let us have a time lapse for the same. So yeah, that's all. And Let's see what we have. So I'm doing it manually. I do not have. Okay, so C++ program already found that 100,000th prime number within 329 seconds. Okay, now this is the Julia program in the middle, and this is the Python. Okay, so I am again pushing it, and let's see what we have. 6 minute 32 second over 7 minute 8 minute 10 minute 11 minute. So this is kind of boring. So what I did, I left my computer as is. Okay, so in almost 1550 second, the Julia program found that. So this is kind of 5 times slower than C++ program, and this is almost 27 minute, half an hour completed. So I got bored and I started searching on some topics. So I was scrolling the web looking for YouTube and some stuffs I was studying, so which is not important, but I cannot wait that long, so I was doing those things. Still it is running 49 minutes. One hour 12 minutes. So after 1 hour 12 minutes, yes, that's all. So Python took 4361 seconds, and the factor would be what? So let us have a quick calculator over here, and 4361 divided by 1545, so almost 3 times slower than Julia. So this is all I want to show you, and why we should go for Julia as soon as possible. Currently the market, the programmers community, the developer community, and the business owners, software business owners, still they are using the existing technologies, but it is not far that when there will be a boom of Julia like Python that we are having right now, and by then you will be one step, in fact not one step, you will be way ahead of everyone else in the market. And being a software professional, it is very important to keep yourself updated. So I highly recommend all of you to learn Julia. There are a lot of other YouTube channels also. You can find Julia. You can also learn from my channel also. Yes, there the videos are very limited right now, but uh, the whole point is, please learn Julia. This is my personal opinion. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your time. See you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.